To lose fat and build muscle, these high-protein grilled cheese breakfast burritos pack 60 grams of protein each, and this makes 10 burritos you can easily meal prep and store in the freezer for weeks. To a pan on medium heat, cook up some diced onion followed by extra lean beef minced on screen or in the caption below, then add some diced garlic and some wash your sister sauce and let it fully cook through. Then add tomato paste, mix it and set it aside. And to make the best and fluffiest eggs, start by mixing them with some salt, then on low to medium heat add some light butter with the eggs and constantly stir and fold them gently until they're nice and fluffy just like this. Then grab a warm tortilla, evenly distribute the mince and eggs with some sriracha mayo and chives, roll it tightly, repeat the process for the other burritos, place some cheese on a pan with the burritos on top for a few minutes to seal them until they're golden brown and crispy, wrap them up, store them in the fridge or freezer and reheat when you're trying to lose fat and build muscle. These low-calorie and high-protein pepperoni pizza pockets are the perfect snack you can easily meal prep to take to work or school and can be stored in the freezer for weeks. Slice pepperoni until it's nice and crispy, then set it aside and add some extra lean beef mince with the seasonings listed on screen or in the caption below, then add some diced garlic, tomato paste and light cream cheese with your favorite hot sauce. Mix it, then add the crispy pepperoni with parmesan cheese, dry basil and mix once more until it's nice and creamy. Now take it off the heat and add some low-fat cheese, then grab a tortilla and cut it in half and fold it like shown here, then use some flour mixed with water to act as a glue to hold the tortilla together into this cone shape, then add some of the filling before sealing it tightly at the top, and repeat the process for the other 9 pockets. Add some light cooking oil spray, top them off with a bit more parmesan and parsley before baking them for a few minutes until nice and crispy, then store them in the fridge or freezer and reheat when you're lose fat and build muscle but looking for a healthier version of the Nashville mozzarella sticks. These are only 200 calories compared to the original that have 600 calories and it's extremely easy to make. Start by grabbing a block of cheese and cutting it into 6 equal pieces just like this. Now in a bowl add breadcrumbs with the seasonings listed on screen, mix it all together, then in another bowl add flour, dip the cheese in flour, then in eggs, back in the flour once, then in the breadcrumb mixture and place them in the freezer for at least 1 hour. For the coating, mix together buffalo sauce, brown sugar stevia, light butter and more seasonings, microwave for 10 seconds and mix it. After an hour, spray each mozzarella stick with light cooking oil and air fry with the settings on screen. Once golden brown and crunchy, coat them in the sauce you just made and that's it.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So